Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After watching my 10 pair of eyelash challenge, you guys been asking me how did I do the eye makeup. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to detail and define the crease cut. This is my version and my view and how my drag sister taught me. I pre-did her eyebrows off camera. I'll attach a link so you guys can see. So far, I just smoothed out the foundation that was on her lid, then I applied Clown White as my eyeshadow base. All the product I use will be listed in the description box. Next, I'll be using Morphe 25B eyeshadow palette. The first color will be this brickish color. I'll use a crease brush just to place it in the crease. Watch my thumb as I pull her eyebrows up just to make room. Just to make your color show, make sure you dig into your product. I take the eyeshadow all the way to the tails of the eyes. Make sure you go back and blend it in. Next, I'll be using this brown color and I'll place it on the tail of the eyes and I'll bring it inwards in the inner corner of the eyes. And don't forget that thumb, pull that eyebrow up just to make more room. For each crease color, I am using a different crease brush. Sometimes you can use the same one, but I like to switch it up just in case I have to go back, fix, change, or rearrange a color. This is my last color that I placed in the crease. Make sure you still pull that eyebrow up just to make some more room for that other color. After dealing with that dark black color, make sure you can also see the other two crease color. If not, this is the time you fix, change, rearrange any color that you see. It looks kind of crazy, but it'll come together. To cut the crease, I'm using a 242 brush by MAC Cosmetics in a lighter Tarte concealer. I forgot the shade, but it's just lighter than the skin tone. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of went too far up with the crease, but you can't really tell unless you all up in the eyes. So if someone looking too close at your crease cut, tell them back up. Watching this video with you guys, I understand my mistake was when I went from the inner corner of the eyes and I skipped and went to the middle of her lid to create a crease cut instead of going straight from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. That's a note that I'm taking. You should too. And also look at the other eyes. For the tail of the eyes, all I'm doing is blending the same color that I used in the crease onto the tail. The first color was brick, brown, then dark. Last, I'm using this last color on the lid of the eyes and also towards the crease cut. I'm using a regular eyeshadow brush to fill in the area of her lid. Then I'm going to be using a small amount eyeshadow brush to detail the crease cut. As you can see, I made a little mistake in the inner crease. I tried to clean it up with some concealer. It didn't work. My drag sister, Asheria Price, taught me you can cut the crease even more if you use some darker eyeshadow. This is me still trying to fix a little mistake. She called it tighten up the crease. So I'm going to use that dark color and a different precision brush to go alongside the crease cut. The shading of this gives the eyes more dimension. And you can also see how I recover that mistake. Pay attention, you might have to take it back just to look again. Look how that shade makes the eyes stand out even more and look even sharper and more defined. All the product and all the brushes that I use will be listed in the description box. Last, I'll be using my favorite liquid liner. It's called Amuse Cosmetics. You can find it at any local drugstore, but I'm from Miami, so it's easy to find and it's affordable. It's like $2-3. Last, I'll be using BlackOpal Stick Foundation in the shade Truly Topaz to sharpen up her cat eyes. Now, sometimes I'll use a brush to like dust off all the eyeshadow that fall on the lash, but these are individual lashes, so I just add a little liquid liner just to remove it. So I'm just doing the last final touches. And here you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoy this eye tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment and hit that notification bell. The next video, I will show you guys how I do her foundation from beginning to the end. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel.